How to start an automated YouTube channel from scratch. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to start an automated YouTube channel completely from scratch. Just make sure to stick with me till the end because I'll walk you through all the tools and steps you need to launch your first video fast. All right, let's jump in. The first thing you need is a niche. Think about topics that don't require a personal presence, like tech facts, motivation, celebrity news, finance tips, or even AI tools. You want something people search for regularly, but that you can also automate easily. Once you have your niche, head over to ChatGPT and ask it to generate 5 to 10 video ideas in that niche. Then choose one and tell it to write a full script for a YouTube video, something like, write a YouTube script for a video titled Top 5 AI Tools in 2025. Once you've got the script, it's time to get the voiceover done. You can use 11 Labs, Murph.ai, or PlayHT. All of these generate ultra-realistic AI voices. Paste your script in, choose a voice that fits your channel's tone, and generate your audio file. Most of these platforms let you download the audio for free or with a watermark on a free plan. Now for the video part, head over to CapCut or DaVinci Resolve for editing. Now once the video is ready, head to YouTube Studio. Click Create in the top. Upload video, write a catchy title, description, and use tags related to your niche. And that's how you can start an automated YouTube channel. Keep repeating this process, stay consistent with uploads, and your channel will start to grow. As you gain views and subscribers, apply for YouTube monetization or add affiliate links in your descriptions to start earning passively. If this helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.